Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Talk Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're gonna be talking about where will crypto go? Or crypto where to now? Crypto where to? If you're catching us from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Right? Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. And it's here at the top of the chat pin. There we go. There we go. That one was missing. And let's spin it here as well. Right on, guys. Thank you for joining me. Andrew, what's up? And Jeff Loomis. Hey, bro. How's it going? Let's move on to that awesome little screen where the magical little things happen. And we'll see what's happening here on crypto today. Let's get there, man. Oh, my goodness. It's fallen. I'm trying to recover right now. But it's actually falling still. So, market cap on the daily. At support, came back down. Oh no, to target. Look at that. 2.15 trillion. Remember, we said that yesterday. So, trying to find support. Nothing bullish right now. Still have a little positive momentum in neutral at 41.33. Not really sitting at the safest place, right? We could still go back to that Zold area and break this here area. We could try to bounce maybe to that 20 moving average at 2.25 trillion. And if we get above that target, we should be aiming for this area up here again at 2.40. But there's nothing bullish right now. But that's it. Market cap, we went to target and try to bounce there. Awesome. Lowest point, 2.14 trillion. We have this at 2.15 trillion. All right, so 2.149 actually. What was the lowest point? 2.4. Yeah, 2.149. So we're like 0.001 off target. Again, that's a hit. Anyways, let's check the chart for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 46,600. Oh no, it's breaking down. Yes, we're breaking down to this area, but we're still coming to support here. I think we're going to be above. Oh no, we're slightly below. It's 46,800. So we broke that 46,801. Still at 46,600. And Alex, thank you very much, man. Much appreciated, my friend. Thank you very much for the awesome thing. Man, I hope you feel better, man. Let me know next time and I can do them, right? But thank you very much for that kind and awesome hook up there with the thumbnail, man. We're gonna do an get this here thing open. Why is it not open? Here we go. Alex, man, gracias, and I hope you feel better. You should get better, man. Drink something for that, man. Some tea or something might make you feel a little bit better. Maybe some what is it? Spearmint tea or mint? Should be okay. That should help you out, I guess. Oh no. Let's go here. Oh, there we are. Oh, it's bigger than 2 megabytes. I have to convert it. Where's that image converting site here? All right, let's go here again. Sorry guys, one quick second. Thumbnail came in, but it's a little bit larger. I'm converting it. Yo, look at this craziness, guys. Look at this craziness, right? Still below our resistance. Not where we want to be, right? Not where we want to be. I really wish Bitcoin was doing a little bit better. And not just Bitcoin, crypto in general, right? Crypto in general. I was really wish they were doing a little bit better, man. It just kind of sucks to see where we're at, man. Carry, thank you very much for being here. All right, let's keep rolling. Alrighty. So again, below 46,801. So we're facing resistance overhead, and on this chart we're also having the same area, right? Again, 47,338. Again, $500 off target, but slightly higher, right? Jake, thank you very much for being here, guys. So by the way, if you don't know, Bitcoin Jakes has been an awesome moderator here at the channel for a long time now, and he's been with us for a while. He also has his own channel, which is r/Bitcoin, where he talks about the top 10 Reddit Bitcoin related topics, which are funny. So if you have time, you should go check out Bitcoin Jake's channel and subscribe to him as well. Show him some love. Right, so Bitcoin going down below resistance. I mean, we did talk about this, right? We did even draw comparisons to this here, right? Look, moving down, took a pop, come back down, and then move down again before we actually rally, right? Same thing here, move down, took a pop, come back down, just consolidated a bit before we rallied, right? So here, what do we have? Again, similar story, right? Look, moving down, taking a quick pop, coming back down, and then we could be looking for a rally, right? If we are going to be following these patterns, we still have hope. By the way, Jake just posted his channel. You should go there and subscribe to him as well. Let's keep rolling. Anyways, Bitcoin is struggling. Nothing bullish, right? Nothing bullish. It's just there. Hidden bearish came in, moving us down. I mean, it is at a point, and I told you guys when we were getting this rally, it was starting to look a bit like a bull trap. Thinking of a drop here. And we are at an interesting area right now. But why you say that, man? Well, the interesting part that I see right now happening here, and I'm going to go to another chart so I can show you this here. You can zoom in here. I really don't care about those fibs, but I got to zoom in here so I can show you this. So the interesting thing about what could be happening here on Bitcoin, and again, this is a big F. And I'll be ignoring that large wick. But if we just go with the bodies and we say from here, right? So from this move here, I usually hate ignoring some data, but I just want to draw this as a comparison. What if we were making a double bottom here? Right. So if we come slightly lower, right, than we were before, make a little bit of negative momentum, create that strong bullish divergence, right? And with that, get our rally, right? That would kind of help it look like it did back here, right? That moving down and popping. Same thing here, right? Moving down, pump, moving down, popping. All right, so could be looking at something like this happening, right? Again, potential double bottom forming. Let's go to this other chart also to discuss the ideas, right? So we had potential to rising valley that could still come way down here to the 40,000s and still be holding, right? Almost 41,000. We'll just leave it at that 40Ks, but yeah. All right. So here we are breaking below that neckline briefly, right? Barely. We're going to try to reclaim it. So this puts us in a territory where now we're looking at a couple things here in Bitcoin. And unfortunately, I really wish it was just the one thing and we didn't have to worry about a couple things forming here. Well, one is the three rising valleys, which right now seems as though we might be looking for a movement down still, and that could put this in danger. The second thing we're looking at is the head and shoulders. This shoulder is forming, and if breaking this neckline right now, it could confirm that that head and shoulders is formed. We could be looking for a drop, right? But there's a but. If the head and shoulders, sorry, if the double bottom comes into play, right, with bullish divergence strong, it could negate the head and shoulders, right? Because it'll get us to throwback. It'll get some throwback, and then we can go back up here and be negating this area, at least for the short term. It will be a fake breakout here, but we're really need to get this pumping. Otherwise, we run the risk of just, making a kind of double top here. 1, 2, then breaking back down again. So, yeah, not liking it, but, yeah. You got it, bud. We're in a couple things here. And again, it's not as clear as I would really like it to be. I really just wish we had the one pattern and say, this is the pattern that's at play. Let's go with that. Again, I think that's what we're seeing this crypto indecision right now. Candlesticks that Bitcoin's dropping. It's going to try to rally again today, I think. So we're starting to get some green. But we're really to get above this area. And as you can tell, I'll just way over here on the side. Let's bring it in here. We're already rejecting getting back into that area. We really need to get above this target here, and we're just going to call it at 46,103. If we don't get above that target, we are breaking that neckline, and we could be looking for trouble in Bitcoin, right? If the head and shoulders is to form. If we do create that small double bottom with the bullish divergence, and we start a rally on that, that could be good. But until then, right now, I'm looking at some kind of bearishness happening. It's not the coolest, right? Also, don't look like we're going to get our what was it? New Year's Eve rally, right? Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin on the daily. Let's go to the shorter time scales. Let's go to the 4 hours, see if we can find something here that is important. Yes, bullish divergence strong. Is it going to help us rally? All right, look, finally creating it into last candle. Last 4 hour candle, creating this divergence. And here we're oversold, 29.92. Again, bullish. So it looks as though we're going to try to rally for that 47,338. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, man. Look at this. Bullish divergence. It failed to rally. We rallied, hit the 20 and rejected, came back down lower. And then we tried to rally, also rejecting the 20 and coming back down lower. So, what is happening here? Well, now we're anchoring from one island, right, to the next. Look at this, right? Coming in lower. So, this we could just draw this in a straight line and it would work fine. But just for ease of showing this, I'm gonna draw in 2 lines. So we had divergency here, fell to play, coming down with more bullish divergence, and now here, look at this, right? Boom. Strong bullish also here on the RSI. So with that, the possibility for a rally. Right, so we could be looking at this bottom forming in the second bottom. It doesn't have to come with bullish divergence. It's usually better when we have that double bottom with bullish divergence. At least it looks as though there's more strength behind it. But just creating a double bottom could be a reversal pattern. And we are at an area where we could be creating a double bottom just without bullish divergence. So we'll have to see if we start a rally from here and break what we consider the hump, right, of the double bottom. So one hump, right? So the humps here. So one bottom and the second bottom. We'll call it the butt crack of the double bottom, right? So that's what we're looking at here, guys. So just remember, Bitcoin on the downwards move. We talked about this. We talked about the potential looking like a bear trap, right? Ever since we were starting to rally here, I said, oh, it's starting to look like a bear trap. Oh, it's starting to look like a bear trap. And then I even show images of what a bear trap looks like. So a couple things. Also, Vegas trips coming up, I guess, on March. I think that's what we're settling for. And if you're interested in going to Vegas and meet and hang out, join the Discord and go into the Vegas thread. And if you're a trooper, you will be able to basically talk. So talk in that chat and let's agree on the dates and things like that. Can I do Elon one? Yeah, do Elon one. All right, so Bitcoin. Let's get on to Ethereum, right? Ethereum 3,648. What do we have? Bearish divergence. Oh, we broke down. Trying to rally. It did break all the way to that 3,641. Not looking so pretty right after that rejection. Are we creating anything bullish? Yes. Strong bullish divergence on the daily, man. Look at this. Look at this. Ethereum looking strong against the MACD, not against the RSI. Sold at 37.10. So again, potential for a rally. We need to get above this here line at 3,704, which will be a good target. That's the previous old target that we have there, right, for fibs. So Vegas Strip special for Discord members. Yeah. Bearish divergence strong. Moving down. 1 second. Be right back. Yo, I'm back. Sorry about that. One of the faucet broke, so there was like water flowing everywhere. The wife needed me to shut off the water. So weird stuff. One thing on Bitcoin, I already covered it. Can we bounce back to 47,500? We'll talk about it in a second, man. Right. What about the Felix, you morning? What's up, Felix? Thank you very much for being here. Sorry about leaving, guys. Sorry, stuff I need to go fix. Anyways, we're trying to break back above this area here on Ethereum. I was looking for divergence, and I think we have some bullish divergence here. I'm just gonna have to zoom in here real quick. And this is a move, right? So what is this here? The 4 hour, right? So let's go there. And 4 hour chart again, bullish divergence. Getting that small action to the upside, right? We should be looking for a break above 3,641 and maybe try to reclaim that $3,873 mark. That's going to be very, very good for Ethereum, particularly with the bullish divergence that it has. It is oversold at 21.87. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart here, we're getting this movement to come in lower, right? So let's go here. The 1 hour chart. So we're coming in lower, just like Bitcoin, right? Creating that bullish divergence strong. So with that, the possibility for a rally. Right now, we're not really seeing that pump happening, right? We got our small rally happening. Now we're kind of diverging down again, which kind of sucks. I really wish we were getting that movement above the 20 and reclaiming that 3,873. That would be a very, very good move for Ethereum. Again, we have the bullish divergence just to rally and not lose 3,641, which again, we're struggling right now. So yeah, wife calls for a plumber. That's probably worth checking out. Yeah, no, she called for a plumber. She called me. I just closed the water to the apartment. I'm gonna have to go back and try to fix the faucet. Yeah, something broke with the faucet. It was just like the main area where the water comes out of. That thing just came off and like water was flowing everywhere. Anyways, we are sold at 29.85. So that's it here for Ethereum. I'm gonna do Elon one. And then I'm gonna have to log off because I gotta go fix that stuff, right? It's about to be New Year's and we got no faucets, so I gotta go get that fixed real quick, or at least try to get it to. I stopped the water, so I need to go figure out what's happening and then try to see if I can fix it. If not, get something else in. But anyways, Elon Juan taking a nasty drop here on the 1 hour. All right, so we're rejecting, right? So bearish divergence, moving down, trying to hold below the 20, come back down. And below that 786, so about the same price. So we're back here. The only thing we could look at here that would be potentially beneficial is that we are at the same price, apparently, because there's no way to read it here in the chart. It just reads as 0. But moving sideways here and creating this medium bullish divergence, right? With that, there would be a very nice possibility for a rally to happen, maybe to that 786 again. It reads as 0, so I cannot tell you where it's going to go, but upside. Here as well, right? Look, low, lower, low, morning momentum, lower still. So not a lot going on here. But in this last bit, right, on this last bit here, on the 4 hour. Right, we are looking at this. So. Bullish divergence, right? Taking a small pop. Should be looking for a small pop, sorry. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, this stuff came over from the daily. Oh no, I forgot the anchor. There we go. Coming lower, morning momentum. Again, not a lot happening here that is bullish. And on that note, there's, just looking at the bullishness on the 4 hour, man. That is what's happening. And the bullish on the 1 hour, hopefully it's going to play out, right? Get us to pump back up. And again, that is going to be if Bitcoin and the rest allow. But right now, it looks like a bloodbath. A lot of red in the market. And no signs of relief, right? XRP going up 0.76%, which is not bad. But again, XLM down 1.59%. And Bitcoin's slightly on the green, 0.33. Again, Ethereum slightly on the green, 0.68. It looks as though we're looking for some kind of recovery on the bullish divergence that we have, but we really need to get moving higher areas of value, right? I understand how it can drop and go out that much with so much low volume on Bitcoin. Yeah, that kind of sucks, right? When there's low volume and we get the wild moves. But, the only good thing that there is to know when there's low volume, I'll counter your point and say there was lower volume when we were pumping. Right. Well, Like, were no volume complaints here, right? Look, we're rallying. Look at the volume that we had. On these drops, we had more volume than on the days that we pumped. So, yeah, I mean, I don't think it's that bad. And there is volume on these two drops, right? Almost on the smaller drop, as much volume as we had here. That just means that there was a lot of market movement, a lot of buying and selling on the shorter areas. So, again, Bitcoin's trying to recover. We try to get to that 47,338 before we drop again. 47,500. Could we get there? Yeah, we could. I mean, someone asked the other day about closing it long, and I said, man, you know, if you want to let it run, it's up to you. I cannot tell you what to do with your money. I hope he closed deals long, right? Anyways, guys, that's gonna have to be it for tonight. I have to go and get this stuff fixed. If you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. It kind of sucks that I have to run out, I know, but you know, there was this thing I gotta take care of here at the house. So I'll be here tomorrow, Friday. I'll be here. I'm not sure what time though. It'll be like an upward time, like during Christmas Day. I might just come into Bitcoin, Ethereum, something else. Depends. We're gonna be hosting New Year's Eve dinner at the house, or New Year's pre-New Year's Eve dinner, I guess, at the house. So we're gonna have people over. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching again. If you're enjoying the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on Discord, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here, which is discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then,